Hey, real quick, before you scroll away, you need to check the link in the description. Trust me, this is one of those things you don't want to miss. This product is everywhere right now, and for good reason. It's smooth, it's solid, and it's ridiculously easy to use. No complicated setup, no frustration, just a clean and simple experience. I honestly didn't expect it to be this impressive, but after trying it myself, I get the hype. It's one of those rare things that actually lives up to everything people say about it. So if you're looking for something reliable and genuinely useful, hit that link. Try it out and tell me later that I was right. This one's absolutely worth it. Okay, listen, don't skip this. Click the link in the description because once you see it, you'll wonder why nobody told you about it sooner. So here's the deal. This product has been Hey, real quick, before you scroll away, you need to check the link in the description.